In this video, we're going to break down how using templates can save time as an entrepreneur when it comes to managing projects. So a lot of times with entrepreneurs, because you're working on so many things, you need a way to capture tasks and things that you have to get done for your project. So, right, as an example, let's come to a project dashboard and click on a project. You want to have a way to be able to capture the tasks and things that you have to work on. So we're going to come in here, click on a note, and let's say here, new class. And save that. Come back here, we have our task in there. So by using a template, it allows you to be able to put down things quickly. Like we said, as entrepreneurs, you're working on so many things. You have to market, you have to talk with a current customer, you try to find new customers, you have to handle sales. If anybody has any questions, you have to go and answer those questions. Your tech support, something goes wrong, you have to go in there and fix it. You have to if maybe a previous client that you work with has an issue, you have to go and help them solve that issue. Maybe you're making content for your brand, so now you have to make YouTube videos, you have to write blog articles, but if the blogs aren't indexed, now you have to go and see what's wrong with the articles, why aren't they indexing? You have to check your analytics to make sure that is your bounce rate high? Are people leaving? You have to constantly update the design of your website, your landing page, your portfolio. You have to make sure your portfolio is up to date with projects. You have to make sure you haven't missed any emails or any DMs. Go respond to people. So there's so many things you have to do. Templates ease off some of the pressure of having to organize your work and organize your thoughts. And this is almost like a second space for you to organize things that you're working on. So you come in here, you just click on the template, put down what it is that you need to put down, and then you can just forget about it. When you come back, there it is waiting for you. So this is just a brief overview of why templates are so important. Whatever tool that you're using, try to use the templates as much as you can to get you up and running, to put down these ideas to help you manage your projects, manage whatever it is that you're working on, to help you work better and more efficiently over time. Templates are very helpful and they're very important, especially as a one-man team solopreneur. So if you're interested in this tool, Swizer, where we have our projects and ideas, everything captured in one place for you to organize what it is that you're working on, come to our website here, swizer.app, to learn more about this tool, to see if it can help you as a solopreneur organize your projects, organize what it is that you're working on, and to help you be more efficient in your work. If this looks like something you want to use, check us out. Check out our app at swizer.app.